This video will talk you through the method we use to pay the Greek TEPAI tax successfully. When we checked into Greece, they'd just introduced the TEPAI cruising tax. We had lots of horror stories about how tricky it was, but luckily we found a successful method and wanted to share our process. So here's our trouble-free way to paying the Greek cruising tax online. Firstly, we would recommend paying your cruising tax a few days before you enter Greece, to give the payment time to go through. It will save you several hours with the port police at check-in. Start by heading to www.togetlost.com and look through the cruisers tips sections, where you'll find the TEPAI cruising tax, how to pay online. Click the link which will take you straight to the TEPAI registration page. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page where you'll find two options. Click on TEPAI login. This will open another new page. Good on you if you speak Greek, but if you don't, in the top right hand corner you'll find an English flag which will translate the page to English for you. Under the blue login button will be a Register Here button. Click this, which will bring up a small form for you to fill in. Enter some basic details, including your passport number and a valid email address. Make sure you get this right, as you'll be emailed all the forms you'll need. Submit these details and you will be emailed a link to activate your account. The email came through pretty instantly for me, but it may take a little while, so be patient. Click the link and you'll be taken back to the original page. This time, click the login button. Now you'll be asked to fill in your email, password and documentation number, which is your passport number. Click the green New Application button. You can now finally start to fill in your details. The form is in 3 sections. The first asks for details about your boat, including your SSR and MMSI. Fill in these details to the best of your ability. Next, click Liable Persons info and fill out the details of the ship's owner. And finally, fill out TEPAI info where they'll calculate how much you owe them. Remember, you have to pay for the whole month, even if you only entered Greece halfway through a month. For example, if you enter on August the 12th, you still owe TEPAI for the whole of August. If your boat is out of the water, you don't have to pay TEPAI. Once you've filled out the 3 sections, you can click the green button at the top saying Temporarily Submitted. The application is now saved. You can leave it and come back to it, or make any changes you like, but it isn't yet submitted. Check the form through, and then when you're happy, click the red Submit button. If there are any errors on your form, they'll show up now, and you can amend them before submitting again. Now you'll be sent 2 emails confirming your application and providing you with payment code to use when making your online payment. Now for the final step, payment online. If you haven't already, go to our website where you'll find the details you need to make your international payment online. Here you can copy and paste the numbers so you don't make an error. Some of them are quite long. Enter the recipient bank, the Bank of Greece, the IBAN number listed on the post, and your 20-digit payment code. If it asks for the name of the recipient, I just put the Bank of Greece again and my payment went through successfully. As a precaution, I took several screenshots while I was doing this for confirmation. We were asked to show them to the port police on check-in. If possible, get a screenshot of the amount you paid in euros. We only had confirmation of the amount in pounds, and as the figure was slightly different due to exchange rates, it took some sweet talking to get them to accept it. You should keep an eye on your application over the coming days, which will show that you've paid successfully, and look at your bank account to make sure the money is left. But that's it. You've successfully paid your Greek TEPAI cruising tax and can head to the pub for a well-deserved beer. Hopefully that's helped. Let us know in the comments below.